Good morning. Today I'm going to read the few pages that you need to read for science, and then after that I'm going to send you some science questions, and it'll also be for a grade. Okay, let's begin. Page 278. Page 278. It says, changing environments. An environment is all the living and non-living things in a place. Please make sure you mark that, underline it. An environment can change over time. One kind of change is the change in seasons. Summer may be hot. Spring and fall may be warm or cool. Winter may be cold. Plants and animals adapt to changes in their environments. To adapt means to change. Please make sure and mark that. By adapting, plants and animals can survive. Bison. A bison lives in a grassland environment. This is a bison. We also call it a buffalo. A buffalo. It eats grass, and the grass grows during the warm months. The bison can easily find its food. In winter, the grass stops growing. Bison may not be able to find food easily. They may have to dig through snow to find grass to eat. A bison may have to dig through snow to find food in winter. That's what he's doing. The grasslands can be very cold in winter. A bison grows a thick coat. The coat helps it stay warm. For warm months, the bison sheds its thick coat. It has a thin coat in summer. I wonder what the word shed means. Don't do this. A bison sheds its winter coat in spring. Animals on the move. Animals respond to changes in seasons in different ways. Some animals migrate when seasons change. Migrate means to move. Some places get very little rain during part of the year. Water holes may dry up in the dry season. Animals need water. Some of them migrate to find water. Some places have very cold winters. Some animals migrate to warmer places when the weather gets cold. Animals need to get water from their environment. Please make sure you mark migrate. What does migrate mean? You don't do this. Birds and butterflies. Many kinds of animals migrate. Some birds, insects, and sea animals, such as gray whales, migrate. Whooping cranes are birds that migrate. Some whooping cranes migrate to Texas from Canada every fall. Texas is much warmer in winter than Canada is. In spring, the whooping cranes leave Texas. They return to Canada. Monarch butterflies are insects that migrate. They migrate south when the weather gets cold in the north. They return north when the weather gets warmer there. Whooping cranes, monarch butterflies. You don't have to do this. If you've done it, that's fine, but you don't have to. These groundhogs sleep through the winter. This black bear sleeps during the winter. Animals at rest. Some animals migrate to warmer places when the weather gets cold. Some animals hibernate in winter. To hibernate is to sleep or rest throughout the winter. Hedgehogs and groundhogs hibernate. They sleep all winter long. Some bats hibernate too. The animals do not use much energy when they sleep, so they do not need food or water as they hibernate. Other animals sleep through the winter too. Sometimes they wake up during warmer winter days. Bears and raccoons are animals that sleep in winter. Circle the names of the animals that hibernate in winter. They have them right here. And if I were you, I would make sure to underline hibernate. What does hibernate mean? Every year, some trees lose their leaves and go dormant during cold months. This is the same tree in the winter as this one is in the fall or summer. Plants at rest. Like animals, plants adapt to their environment too. Some plants go dormant as the weather gets colder. Dormant means at rest or not active. Make sure you underline that. Some kinds of trees lose their leaves in fall. Without leaves, a tree cannot make food. The tree does not grow. The tree goes dormant. When the weather gets warmer, the tree grows new leaves. The leaves make food for the tree. The tree grows again. Many plants grow from seeds. The seeds can be in the ground a long time. They do not grow. The seeds are dormant. With water and warm weather, they can begin to grow. Don't do that. Okay, that was the last page. And now I will send you some questions. Okay, bye-bye.